How you guys doing? I'm hoping you guys are having a great day today, and everything you try to accomplish this year, it becomes into reality. So today I have a 06 Toyota Prius with 139,000 miles on it, and I'm about to replace the inverter pump on this car. It's showing codes P0A93, I think. And if you guys want to know the part number, let me see. Part number is G902047031. All right. So I'm about to do the installation on it. Okay, so for this job, you're gonna use a 10mm 3/8 socket, short 3/8 extension, long extension, and a 3/8 ratchet. And this is the inverter pump, I think that's what it's called. And there's the number again. My customer went and got it from Toyota. Okay. So what you're gonna do is, in my opinion, you don't have to take the whole bumper out. I already searched into it, so it's just 3 bolts to remove the headlight. This one, there's another one down there, right there. You see it? It's right there. Second one, and then there's a 10mm bolt holding the bumper. Just have somebody hold it for you, or you can just pull it with one hand. And there's another 10mm bolt right there. And then after the bumper comes out, the other bolt's right here to remove the headlight. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do right now. So right here I already removed the bolt that goes underneath there that's holding the bumper. Luckily for me, there is no bolt right here that's holding the headlight. It's missing, so somebody already took it out before. So now I'm going to remove this part. So just remove this right here, this little pin, turn to the left, and it'll come right easy. And it's off, see that? And now you just pull right there, and there are the other bolts right there. You see it? 10mm bolt and 10mm bolt. Where's my ratchet? There it is. Okay, never mind guys. The third bolt is in there. I just looked it up. So I gotta take it out. That's why I couldn't get the headlight out. But it's kind of tricky because it's not on the bracket that's holding the bumper. So I'm gonna take it out, and we're gonna continue with the installation. All right, so I took the headlight out. I took it out. These tabs right here are really hard to get to, man. So get a flathead screwdriver and tap on the inside slowly. Pry it out slowly. All three of them. Man, it took me a minute to get them out. It was really stuck on there. But the headlight is out. You don't have to take the bumper out. So you're good now. So there you have it. The headlight is out. And your inverter pump, it's right there. You guys see it? It's 3 bolts holding it and 2 hoses. And it comes right out. They estimated this job to be approximately 1 hour to 2 hours. And I've been working on the car for less than 30 minutes. And all I gotta do is unplug that and put the new one on. And I'm done. So I would say roughly about 45 minutes to an hour. It's taking me a while because I'm recording this for you guys. I hope you guys are enjoying today's content. It's going to be the beginning of the year. So I say, why not shoot another DIY video for you guys so you guys can keep adding one more to the list. Also, if you, I forgot what that little, it's a pacifier. I don't know what, I forgot what it was. I changed it for my customer and I forgot to film it. But with that one, it's nothing to it. It's right there too as well. So the inverter pump is right there, okay? So that way you guys know. And some antifreeze is gonna come out of here. Don't get paranoid, nothing's gonna happen. It's just gonna lick a little bit and that'll be it. I mean, all right then. All right guys, I messed up. It's not these 3 10mm bolts. It's not. This is what's holding the inverter pump to the bracket. As you guys can see, I was looking at it. You guys see it? See how the 3 bolts is holding the bracket. So it's actually these 2 bolts right here. This one and this one right here. They're 2 12mm bolts and they're back here. One of them's back there. You need a long extension like I was telling you and bolt it. And then the other one's right here straight ahead. I don't know if you guys can see it. Right there where I'm about to put the socket in. So there it is. You see it? Right there. Let me get a better view. Right here. Right here. Can you guys see? Let me see. Right there. You guys see it? It's right there. Turn to the left and it comes right out, okay? Alright. Okay, so now that I went and put the inverter pump back on there, I tied both of the 12mm bolts. Don't forget, antifreeze came out of the system, so make sure that you check your reservoir right here and make sure that you top it off where it's supposed to be. Don't go over the max level, just make sure that it's on the max level. And that's all you guys got to do to change the inverter pump. Now repeat the process with the headlight. I know you guys don't want to see that. That's going to bore you. So I'm just going to go ahead and end the video right here. I'm going to just mount the headlight back on and then put the 3 millimeter, it's 4 millimeter, 10 millimeter bolts. I'm sorry. I'm thinking too much. And that's it. You're done. All right. And till then, I'll see you guys on the next one. I hope you guys enjoyed today's content brought to you by High Life Tuners. And if you like this video, give it a like. And if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. Help us grow, okay? Thank you for everything, and I will see you guys on the next one. I'm out. Peace. All right, because I care about my viewers. All right, so for some reason, this one has 2 reservoirs. So check both of the reservoirs. Check this one and that one. If your Prius has 2 reservoirs, check both of them, okay? All right, then the job is complete, done. We were working less than an hour on it without taking the bumper out, going through all the hustle. So there you guys have it.